If you're looking to understand the secret to getting firm, well-defined glutes, you're in the right place. Today we'll reveal the 7 best exercises for glutes, the ones that really make a difference. No miracles, but with lots of sweat and hard work. I'll guide you step by step, showing the correct technique for each movement and how to boost your results. Remember, the journey to your dream body is a daily commitment to yourself. Before we start, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content like this. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any news. Now grab your water bottle and let's get started. The squat is the king of glute exercises and can't be left out of our routine. To do it correctly, start by placing your feet a little wider than shoulder width apart, with your toes slightly turned out. Keep your abs tight and your back straight. Take a deep breath and lower yourself as if you were sitting in a chair, pushing your butt back and down. Lower yourself until your knees form a 90-degree angle, but don't let your knees go past your toes. This movement works all the muscles in your butt. To intensify, you can use weights like dumbbells or a barbell across your back, or do the sumo variation, which focuses even more on the glutes. The deadlift is one of the most complete exercises to activate the glutes and also strengthen the back of your thighs. To start, position your feet hip-width apart, with your toes pointing forward. Hold a barbell in front of you, with your grip slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Keep your back straight, abs tight, and lean your torso forward, pushing your butt back. Feel your glutes and hamstrings working as you return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. Focus on using your butt muscles and not your back. Start with a suitable weight and gradually increase it. If there's one glute-specific exercise that's become a trend, it's the hip thrust. To start, sit on the ground with your back against a bench, resting your shoulders on the edge of the bench. Your feet should be flat on the ground, shoulder-width apart. Breathe in and raise your hips as high as possible, pushing the weight with your glutes. Keep your abs tight the whole time to protect your lower back. The magic happens when you squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement, holding for a second. Add weight to your waist for even faster results. You can use a plate weight, a dumbbell, or even a bag of rice. Start with a weight you can manage with perfect form and gradually increase it. Lunges. Sculpting glutes and defining legs. Lunges are perfect for sculpting your glutes, defining your legs, and even improving your balance. To start, stand with your feet together and take a big step forward with your right leg. Bend your knees to form 90-degree angles, keeping your torso straight and your abs tight. Push off the ground with the heel of your front foot to return to the starting position and repeat the movement with the other leg. Alternate legs, and if you want a bigger challenge, hold dumbbells in your hands. Stiff-legged deadlifts with dumbbells. Total focus on hamstrings and glutes. The stiff-legged deadlift with dumbbells is super powerful for working your glutes and hamstrings. To start, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Keep your back straight, abs tight, and lean your torso forward, pushing your butt back and lowering the dumbbells towards the ground. Bend your knees slightly during the movement, but the focus here is the hip joint. Slowly rise, feeling the activation of your glutes and hamstrings. Focus on squeezing your glutes with each repetition. Bench step-ups. Simple but super effective for glutes. Bench step-ups are incredibly effective for strengthening your glutes, improving balance, and increasing endurance. To start, stand in front of the bench with your feet together. Step up onto the bench with your right foot, pushing your body up until you are standing on the bench. Slowly step down with your left leg, controlling the movement. Alternate legs, and feel your glutes working with each step up. To intensify, add dumbbells to your hands or increase the height of the bench. Chair hip extension. Isolating the glutes for maximum results. The chair hip extension is amazing for isolating the glutes and finishing your workout with a bang. To start, place your hands on the back of a chair with your feet slightly apart. Keep your back straight, abs tight, and lift one leg back. Squeeze your glute at the top of the movement, holding for a second to feel the muscle burn. Do 12 to 15 repetitions on each leg. This is the final touch to make your workout even more complete and guarantee glutes of steel. So, which of these exercises is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. I love knowing what you guys like to do best. Don't forget that the secret to perfect glutes isn't just in the exercises but also in consistency, diet and rest. If you want to see real and lasting results, you need to maintain discipline in your workouts, eat a healthy diet, and give your body the rest it needs. If you like this content, share it with that friend who is also looking for results. Let's spread this energy of transformation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.